Now the doubter gang continues to grow, with the RJD MP now backing Channi's remarks where he questioned the surgical strike. The RJD has now called for the words to be taken seriously, adding fuel to the ongoing political debate.
चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी बहुत गंभीर नेता हैं। कांग्रेस के पूर्व मुख्यमंत्री भी पंजाब के रहे हैं। उनकी बात अगर कोई है तो गंभीरता से लेना होगा। और जिस तरीके से भारत की सरकार नपुंसकता दिखा रही है लड़ने से, अपराधियों को दंडित करने से, ऐसे इससे तो अच्छी भली है कि वो इस्तीफा दें। देश के प्रधानमंत्री और सरकार के बैठे हुए लोग जब नहीं लड़ सकते दुश्मनों से, तो कुर्सी पर बैठने का क्या मतलब हुआ?
My colleague Sabyasachi joins us on the broadcast. Sabyasachi, the list only seems to be growing. The opposition leaders are not just questioning the government, the forces, but now even questioning India's counter-strike after what happened in Pulwama. And there are several leaders who are coming out and questioning the forces yet again.
Well, that's right. See, whether it is the Congress party or other opposition leaders, they are continuing with their trend to question the armed forces, to ask for the proof from the armed forces and question the intent of the central government. And what Mr. Ajay Rai had said with the mocking the central government with a toy Rafale plane with the Nimbu and Mirchi hung on it clearly shows the mindset of the Congress party. And that is the reason why the BJP is escalating its attack on the Congress party, stating that both Pakistan and the Congress party shares the same kind of mindset, and continuously insults are being done towards the armed forces by the Congress leadership, and the Congress High Command is absolutely silent about it. They are not initiating any sort of disciplinary action against these leaders who time and again are crossing the party line and demoralizing the armed forces in the country.
And it's not just the Congress party. Now its allies have also jumped in. In the latest, the RJD also coming in and saying, what's wrong? We do need the proof for it. Well, the politics continues in the country even as India is looking for retribution. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.